Hey everybody, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to show the two Hellcats that were out at the Midwest Mopar's track day at the Dakota County Technical College road course. And one really cool thing is Dodge Garage has an article, dodgegarage.com has an article on our track day. Scat Pack Club was out at our event and he wrote an article on Dodge Garage about our track day, and there's some awesome pictures including one of my car on there, so if you get a chance, check that out. One of the Hellcats that you'll see out there is Track Day 62. He's the father of Purple Thunder Productions, and if you get a chance, check his channel out, Track Day 62. I'll put a link down below. He's got some really cool stuff on his channel. He's got him running laps at Brainerd, which is really cool. He's passing Corvettes and hitting like 158 on the one straightaway, so you might want to check that out. It's pretty cool. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to show the two Hellcats, and be on the lookout. There's one lap where Track Day 62 gets really sideways, and if you go to his channel, you can see the in-car video of that. So sit back and enjoy.
I couldn't believe it was snow, and I said, wow, you're really dry. I know. I worked at a high school. These are stunt drivers now, aren't they? Yeah, she's coming. Got it on videotape. I was just following the pack because they're going to have a green, to start the race. Brand new race car, B-Mod car, I couldn't believe it. The guy spent the rest of the night trying to put it back in his trailer in pieces.